In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use your TradingView account alongside your XM account to enhance your trading experience. Many traders wonder if it's possible to connect these two platforms directly. The short answer is that you cannot. This is primarily because XM has not partnered with TradingView to establish an API integration, which is necessary for that direct connection. TradingView allows direct account connections only for brokers that have an API integration with their platform, and as of now, XM has not developed this with TradingView. But don't worry, you can still take advantage of both platforms' strengths if you know how to navigate between them. Starting off, if you haven't done so already, the first step is to open an account with XM. You'll need to go through the usual registration process, filling out your details, and completing the necessary steps to get your account up and running. This involves verifying your identity and loading your account with funds as suited to your trading plan. Once you've set that up, it's time to move on to the next step, which is registering for a TradingView account. TradingView is one of the best platforms available for charting because of its wide array of analytical tools and user-friendly interface. Set up your account and get comfortable navigating through its features. Now, with both accounts ready to use, log into TradingView to utilize their fantastic charting capabilities. This platform is recognized for its advanced charting tools, which are incredibly helpful for analyzing market trends and identifying potential trading opportunities. By exploring different charts, indicators, and market insights, you can gain a better understanding of market movements, helping you to make informed decisions. Once you have identified a trading opportunity on TradingView, it's time to execute your trades, and here's where XM comes into play. For this, you'll need to switch to your XM platform, which is typically MetaTrader 5 or MT5 for short. This platform is highly regarded for its robust market execution and automated trading capabilities. Go ahead and open your MetaTrader 5 platform, log in with your account details, and navigate to the trading section of the platform. At this point, you should enter the trade details as analyzed from TradingView, such as the asset type, entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. Once you've filled out these details, you can confidently place your trade. Remember, while it might seem like an extra step because you are using two platforms, this method allows you to leverage the powerful analysis tools from TradingView and the reliable execution services offered by XM. So there you have it, a straightforward way to use TradingView alongside your XM account to enhance your trading decisions. The separation may seem inconvenient at first, but with practice, switching between platforms becomes second nature, providing you with a solid strategy for optimizing your trading approach.